Hello students, in last class we were doing cost price, selling price and what we were doing? Yes, profit and loss. Okay, we have completed till 3rd May, that is exercise 2, 3rd May we have completed. Now I am going to teach you 4th main sum, that is Balan bought a music system for rupees 7,500. What do you mean by that? That is a cost price. Cost price of the music system is rupees 7,500. He did not like it. He didn't like that. So what he will do? He will sell that. For how much? He sold it for rupees 6,995. Actual cost price is 7,500, but he didn't like that and he sold that. Selling price is 6,995. Did he make a profit or loss? How much? See, here you can observe that cost price is 7,500, which is greater than the selling price. Cost price is greater than the selling price. If cost price is greater than the selling price, of course, he has got loss only. That is how much loss? We will find out. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. What is cost price? 7,500 rupees. What is the selling price? 6,995. We have to subtract to find the loss. 7,500, 6,995. We have to subtract. Here 10 minus 5, because you have to borrow from here, it will become 10. Again borrow from here, it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is, yes, you are right, 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. Here 4 minus 9 not possible. Borrow from here, it will become 14. What is 14 minus 9? You are right, 5. So what is the loss? 505 rupees. Loss is 505. Okay children. Now you have to copy it in CW book. We move to next sum, that is 5th one. Now, 5th one, Peter bought a plot of land for 75,000. That is cost price. Cost price is 75,000. Cost price of a plot is 75,000 rupees. 75,000. Next, he spent 35,000 rupees, 35,000 on building a boundary wall around the plot. After buying that plot, what he did? He has constructed wall to boundary of that land. That cost rupees 35,000. That is overheads, or that is the extra expense. What is the overheads? Overheads, I told you in previous class, that is extra expense, 35,000. If extra expense is there, what we have to do? To find the total cost price, we have to add total cost price equal to cost price plus overheads. So what I should do, dear student? Yes, you are right. 75,000 plus 35,000. What I will get if I add 75,000, 35,000. When I add this, I will get 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 11. So what we will 10,000. Next, total cost price we have got that 1,10,000. Next, he then sold the land for 1,50,000 rupees. What is the selling price? Selling price is 1,50,000. Now tell me whether he has got profit or loss. Here you can observe that CP is less than SP. So SP is selling price is greater than cost price. Selling price is greater than cost price. So what I should write here? They have got profit. Profit equal to, what is the profit? SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price. That is 1,50,000 minus 1,10,000. Okay. What is the difference between 1,50,000 and 1,10,000? Yes, you are right. 40,000. 40,000 rupees. So he got profit of 40,000 rupees. Therefore, he got a profit of 40,000 rupees. Now, next one is 6th main. A carpenter bought a table for rupees 3,500 and he spent rupees 500 on repairing and painting it. So here also extra expense is there, that is rupees 500. You have to add CP plus overhead. 3,500 plus 500. You will get that 4,000 and selling price is 3,500. Just think over this and do this sum as homework. 6th one is homework. Homework, remember, 6th one is homework you have to do in your CW book itself. Now we move to next topic. Now next topic is to find the selling price. To find the selling price. See children, we know that profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Isn't it? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Using this, we can write selling price as cost price plus profit. We can write selling price as cost price plus profit. See, you are having a pen of cost 20 rupees. That is cost of price of a pen is 20 rupees. You didn't like that. What you will do? You will give to your friend with a profit of 10 rupees. See, 20 rupees is the cost price. With a profit of 10 rupees, you will give to your friend. Then how to find out selling price? Then you have to do cost price plus profit. That is 20 plus 10, 30 rupees. Like that. Selling price, to find the selling price, we have to add a profit with cost price. Remember this. To find the selling price, we have to add profit to cost price. Again, one more example. You are having one book, cost 50 rupees. You didn't like that, but your friend is not agreeing to buy that. So what you will do? You will give him with a loss of 10 rupees. Cost price of the book is 50 rupees and you will give to your friend with loss of 10 rupees. Then what is the selling price? Yes, you are right. You will sell it at 40 rupees. What you should do? 50 minus 10. When loss is there, to find the selling price, you have to do CP minus loss. See here. CP minus loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP. So to find the selling price, you have to subtract loss from cost price. This is to find the selling price. Okay. Now to find the cost price. To find the cost price, what you should do is, see, profit equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. And to find the cost price, you have to subtract profit from SP selling price. I will tell you one example. You are having one compass box. I don't know what is the cost price of that compass box. You don't know. I think I'm telling you don't know because I don't have that. You are having. So you don't know the cost price of that compass box. So what you will do? It may be 100 rupees. You will think that it may be 100 rupees cost price. Then afterwards, what we will do? You don't like that compass box. Just you sell it to your friend. Just you sell it to your friend for 120 rupees. Okay? 120 rupees. You will sell it to 120 rupees. Afterwards, you come to know that that's the cost price of that compass is 100 rupees. You will sell it to your friend with selling price. Selling price, compass box you give to your friend with selling price 120 rupees with a profit of 20 rupees. By seeing this only I will tell the cost price of compass. See, I will tell the cost price of compass. How? If it is selling price is 120 rupees and profit is 20 rupees, then what I will do? I will subtract 120 minus 20. I will get 100 rupees. Do you understand? I will get 100 rupees. That is profit. That is cost price equal to selling price minus. Cost price equal to selling price minus profit. I should do cost price equal to selling price minus profit. Then we will get cost price. If I subtract 120 minus 20, I will get cost price. Next, one more book you are having. Okay? You don't like that, what you will do? You will give to say to your friend. Okay? You will say to your friend. What is the selling price of that book? 80 rupees. And you will get a loss. You will not get any profit. You will get a loss of 20 rupees. Okay? Selling price of that book is 80 rupees and you will get a loss of 20 rupees. Then what is the cost price? If it is loss, we have to add selling price plus loss to find the CP. CP equal to selling price plus loss. When it is profit, CP equal to selling price minus profit. You should remember all this. This and this you should copy in your syllabus. Okay? Only these two, this selling price and cost price. Now we'll move to next exercise, that is exercise 3. Find the selling price or cost price as required. Now, what we have to find out here? See, here CP is given. Did you understand? Cost price is given, and they have given profit also. So what we have to find out here, student? Yes, you are right. We have to find the selling price. How to find the selling price? If profit is there, to find the selling price, we have to add cost price to profit. Okay? Profit. Selling price equal to cost price plus profit. That is 4,680 plus 695. We have to add here 4,680 plus 695. What I will get? 5. 8 plus 9 is 17. 6 plus 6 is 12. 35. 5,375. Okay, 5,375. 5,375 is the selling price. Now we will move to next sum. This one. CP equal to rupees 732 and loss equal to rupees 95. Children, observe here. What they have given? Cost price given and loss also given. So what we have to find out? We have to find out selling price. Now, if it is a loss, then what we have to do? We have to find the selling price. We have to subtract from CP. Loss should be subtracted from CP. What is CP? 732. What is loss? 95 rupees. So 732 minus 95. 12 here we have to borrow. Here will become 2. So 6 and it will become 2. Okay. 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 9 is 12 minus 9 is, tell me. Yes, you are right. 3. Okay. Then it is what remaining? 6. So 637 rupees. 637 rupees. So selling price is 637 rupees. If you add selling price to loss, you will get cost price. You can check cross verify. This is the selling price. Now sheet 1. Now sheet 1. SP equal to 6,445 and loss equal to rupees 395. Now, children, what we have to find out? Can you tell me? We have to find out here CP. How to find out here CP? Because selling price is 6,445, loss is 395. Then how to find out cost price? Yes, you are right. You have to selling price. What you have to do? Selling price. Tell me, students. See, selling price is rupees 6,445. Then loss is 395. Yes, minus loss. If I subtract selling price minus loss or plus loss, it is plus, because if I take minus, I will get cost price more. So what is selling price here? 6,445. plus 395. Okay. Now I will add this. 6445 plus 395. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6,840. 6,840 rupees. When it is loss, see, here it is